Part of seatbelt safety is checking your seatbelt prior to use. Pull the seatbelt out, make sure it's not frayed, cut, damaged in any way. There's also a date on the seatbelt to check. They need to be replaced every 3 years. The date is usually at the end of the belt. According to this one is good until January of 2018. Then make sure that it latches properly, locks in, and make sure that it latches in on that side.
I buckle up at the beginning of my day so I can go home and see my family at the end of the day.
Always wear my seatbelt. It's better to be safe than sorry.
I buckle up so I won't die in the event of rolling this dozer.
The reason I wear my seatbelt is because it's a life critical rule, and I want to be able to go home at the end of every day.